Alright, what's going on, everybody? We got ourselves a electronic lock. Currently, it's locked. The bottom one can open, but the top one is locked. So we're gonna try to pick that with our handy dandy. What is this? SC1 keyway. Alright, so let me put this on the mount. We're gonna do some real-time showing, alright? So what I'm doing is trying to put the tension up to the right side to unlock the lock, and I'm looking for any stiff pins. Here, one click, now it bounces. Move on to the next one. That's a stiff one. Click, leave it. Stiff one. Click, leave it. Same thing on 4, 5. Bam. Look at that. Bam. Done deal.